everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. As you can read by the title, I'm going to be cleaning out my closet. Now I don't have a bougie walk-in closet, I just have a small almirah, cupboard, whatever you want to call it, and I keep my clothes there. So that's what I'll be cleaning today. And I have been procrastinating to do that since months now. It has become a black hole. I have literally lost stuff in there. I don't know where it has gone, but I don't get it anymore. कुछ भी निकालने जाती हूँ, सारी चीजें मेरे ऊपर गिर जाती है, and I have to shove everything back in. So it's crying for help. At this point, it's crying for help. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my closet. As you can see, the clothes are all over the place and it looks super crowded, because of which finding something is an impossible task in here. The second shelf is the worst. So let's get started. The first step is to empty the closet. I don't know about you folks, but I find it super satisfying to watch people clean their closet or room on YouTube. Let me know who else does this in the comments below. Blasting some good music while cleaning is a mandate step. Let's tackle the bottom shelf space as well. The middle shelf has so much stuff in it that it keeps falling, so I have to put a stick in it to hold it in place. Also, the shelves are slightly bent because of the amount of clothes I have. Look at all the mess that I have created. I can't even see my bed. There is a thick layer of clothes all over. Please send help. Next step is to clean the closet before putting any clothes back in. Just take any kapda or a vacuum cleaner and clean that area well. That clean, empty closet. It's so satisfying to watch. This is me realizing that I have way too many clothes to say that I have nothing to wear. I'm first sorting the tops and creating a group of clothes. So crop tops, long tops, sleeveless tops, kurtis, shirts, woolen clothes, jackets and shrugs will all have a different pile. I'm also making a separate pile of clothes that I want to donate or I'm gonna start wearing at home. Okay, so this pile has all my fancy tops, long tops and t-shirts. This pile is filled with zip-up jackets. Next pile is woolen clothes that I have to store away for winter, which is a rare occurrence in Mumbai. That pile has all my hoodies, and next to that are my shirts. This pile I'm going to donate. The biggest pile is of kurtis, which I used to wear a lot before when I used to do a 9 to 6 job. Now I don't need so many. The middle pile is one piece and jumpsuits. Over here I have all of my ganjis, racerback tops, strap tops, crop tops that I'm going to hang. And back to the top pile. Next I'm going to deal with one pile at a time and fold the clothes that I want to keep, and the ones that I want to donate, I'll put it in donate pile. I bought this basket from Crawford Market for 200 rupees each, and I got 9 of these. This is such a great idea because the clothes looks organized and you can store them in category as well. You can put tags on them like jeans and tops. It looks super cute. I'm going to keep the clothes vertically, as you can see in the video. It saves a lot of space and I get to see all the clothes I own if I want to find something. अगर कुछ निकालने भी जाओगे तो भी दूसरे कपड़े खराब नहीं होंगे, which is a plus. Next, let's tackle the jackets.
And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still that's so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe in me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. You know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. No, leave me here alone.
I'm gonna do the same with bottoms as well. Categorize and group them as high-waisted, mid-rise, ripped jeans, pants, skirts and shorts.
morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand.
And here are all the piles nicely folded, and you can clearly see all the clothes, which is amazing. And this is the pile I want to donate, so please let me know in the comments down below if you know any NGO where I can donate these. Now it's time to put the clothes back in. On the right hand side I have stored all my crop tops and short sleeve tops, and on the left side I store all the long tops. First I have put sleeveless long tops, and then long sleeve crop tops, and at the last long t-shirts. I have put all the camis and tank tops in these two hangers, and that's it for the top portion. I'm gonna keep it simple without overcrowding it. In the bottom, I'm gonna keep the baskets in. As you can see, it fits perfectly and looks so clean and tidy. And this is the final look. I'm so happy looking at the after results. Looks organized, and I can see all my clothes without creating a mess. And the drawers will deal with them later. I keep my makeup in one drawer, and the other I store my undergarments. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below about the before and after. I really like it because अभी मैं कुछ भी करूँगी वो ज़्यादा messy नहीं लगेगा, and hopefully I'll be able to keep it clean as much as possible. And yeah, don't forget to comment down below, share this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Please do that, it really helps me out. And the comment shout out goes to Amisha Pradhan. Amisha, thank you for the comment. It really means a lot. All your love and support, it really means a lot. And thank you for it. That's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.